Hey guys, welcome to my second devlog of this pixel platformer. I realized I needed a name for this game, so if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. Also, stay tuned for the end, because I have an important announcement regarding the upload frequency of the channel from now on. Anyway, my first order of business was to get the checkpoint flags animated because they looked pretty lifeless. I added some shading using a transparent black layer in Photoshop. I think it turned out pretty good. I added some music and sound effects, so I'll let you listen while I trial run the new animation. Right now the Win music is just chiptune version of the new Super Mario Bros. Wii Win music, just as a test track. Next order of business was to make a new enemy type. I wanted a car variant of the blobfish enemy I already have that would turn if it hit walls, take more hits, and be twice as fast. Originally my design for the car was based on the Mario Maker Koopa car, but I couldn't get the perspective looking alright, so I went with a normal car. I pulled the colors from the blobfish's color palette to make it fit in with the game. I animated the car by bobbing the blobfish up and down to indicate movement. I suppose I could have animated the whole car bobbing, but it's too late now! Now I had to code the car, because my original enemy script didn't have more than 1 HP and wouldn't turn if it hit walls. The code took a bit to make because the collider wasn't working with the car, so it took a bit before I found a workaround. Here you can see me thinking I was raycasting wrong, but it was just the colliders being funky. Once I just placed a ground tile with a blocks collider on it, I knew something was up. Here I finally got it working, which made me ecstatic. Then I made a dead animation to play once you heard it 3 times, which went through multiple variations until I found one I liked. Here I tried a more realistic explosion, but it ended up looking like a popcorn ball once I finished it, which did not look good. I ended up with just a classic flame, which I think does the trick. Here I couldn't figure out why the car wouldn't die, but it was because the script I was using called on the default blobfish's walk script, so I had to make a new death script for the car. There's probably a better way to do that, but I gave up. I hope you guys like this video. I have an announcement to make about this channel. My school is starting next week, so I can't be doing videos daily like I have been for the past month. That means starting this week, videos will be less frequent, but I'll try my best to do at least one or more video per week. Also, I'll be joining the Brackeys Game Jam 2020.2, so stay tuned for a devlog for that. I hope to actually complete my first game jam. Anyway, I really hope you guys like this devlog. I'll be doing more, so see you guys next time. Bye!